Strong governance and risk management form the backbone of every successful automation program. While these topics might not grab headlines, they're absolutely crucial for long-term success. Think of it as your automation program's safety net. It's not about creating barriers, but rather building a foundation that supports growth while maintaining security. The stakes get higher as your automation program expands. Without solid governance, organizations often face serious challenges with security, compliance, and data privacy. But here's the good news. When implemented thoughtfully, governance accelerates program growth and innovation. For those just starting out, we'll help you establish basic guidelines and checkpoints to keep things secure. Our approach focuses on essential protections while maintaining the agility you need to deliver those important early wins. As your program matures, we'll guide you through developing more sophisticated frameworks. You'll learn how to handle risks effectively and manage changes, especially as you incorporate AI-powered solutions into your automation portfolio. This evolution ensures your security measures keep pace with your growing capabilities. When you're ready to scale enterprise-wide, we'll show you how to organize or interact with an existing AI governance council. These councils are core to establishing enterprise frameworks for risk, capability management, success criteria, and readiness for future AI innovation. The end result? A robust framework that evolves with your program, from fundamental safety measures to sophisticated AI-powered protection that keeps your automation initiatives secure while enabling growth. Ready to build a governance approach that enables rather than restricts? Let's explore how we can make this work for your program, no matter where you're starting from.